Hey guys, this is Swayam and I welcome you to Cuisine. This time I bring one of the most favorite Indian dessert, rice kheer. The best part is I'm gonna show you in two different ways to make this kheer, and you can also enjoy this summer by bringing a twist to this recipe by adding mangoes. Let's see how to make this quick and easy dessert. Heat 1 liter of milk in a pan. Stir occasionally in every 2 to 3 minutes. While the milk is getting heated, I had soaked the rice in water for 15 to 20 minutes. You can use any variety of rice. I'm using here this small grain rice, which is very fragrant and is used to make kheer. Crush the rice and add it to the milk. At this point, simmer over low flame and keep stirring occasionally till the rice is well cooked and the milk becomes thick. Add sugar as per your taste and a pinch of salt just to bring out that flavor. Do stir every 5 minutes and make sure that the rice or milk is not sticking to the pan. As you can see, the milk is reduced and the rice is cooked well. Time to add the saffron strands and give it a good mix. The kheer is well thickened, and at this point add chopped dry fruits of your choice, and if you wish you can always add cardamom powder. Now off goes the flame and it's time to transfer this into a serving dish. You can always serve this hot or enjoy this when chilled. And there you go, this easy, rich and creamy rice kheer is ready to serve. But this is not the end, because here comes my favorite part. Now to this kheer we'll make a twist by adding mangoes. Take around a cup of chopped mangoes in a jar. To this add around a teaspoon of sugar and blend it well. Now add this mango pulp to the kheer mixture, which is already cooled or should be at room temperature. Give this a good mix until this mixture is all well combined. And there you go, lovelies, this yummy mango kheer is ready to be served right away. Garnish with some chopped mangoes and serve it immediately. Hope you enjoyed watching this delicious rice kheer and the mango kheer recipe. I hope you give this a try and treat yourself with this rich and creamy dessert. Keep watching Cuisine and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing recipes. Until then, bye-bye.